Sparky?
No. Sparky doesn't sound like that.
What sound does Sparky make? Roar! Roar! Gee, looks like someone else must have lost their toy.
Sparky's gone forever.
Aw, Donald, we'll find Sparky. Remember, you've got to think positive.
Roar! Roar! It's Sparky! Roar! Roar! But where is it coming from?
Gee, the sound is too low. We need something to help us hear it better. Who do we call when we need a mousecatool? Which mousecatool haven't we used yet? The microphone! Right! Will that help us hear the sound better? You betcha! Microphones make sounds louder. We picked all our mousecatools. Everybody say, super cheers!
This is a monthly test of the Global Weather and EAS Society's EAS Relay Network. This system is activated to quickly provide warnings during emergencies or to inform listeners of a group icon status change. Regular tests of the system are conducted on the first day of every month at 12:15 p.m. Central Time. Additionally, network participants may originate their own tests on a weekly basis, either at a scheduled time or random times throughout the week. Weekly tests originating from the network's squawk system are conducted once a week on random dates and times. The following tones will conclude this monthly test of the Global Weather and EAS Society's EAS Relay Network.
Help us hold up the microphone so we can listen for Sparky's roar. Point the microphone to the left. Great! Now let's listen. Does that sound like Sparky?
Yes, a bees!
Point your microphone to the center. Great, now let's listen. Does that sound like Sparky?
Those are froggies.
Now point your microphone to the right. Let's listen again.
Roar! Roar!
Does that sound like Sparky?
You better believe that. Oh,
Come on, let's follow that roar.
roar! Roar! Here it comes, Sparky!
The roaring's getting